While avian flu poses a low risk to humans right now, experts are concerned that could change. The virus has started to infect new species, jumping from birds to mammals, and in very rare cases, humans, says Dr. Christopher Labos.
It is very possible it could become better at infecting humans and spreading from humans to humans. And then if that happens, we could have a different strain of influenza that could then spread across the world and cause a very bad flu season like we saw in 2009.
In November, Canada's first human case was confirmed in BC. A teenager who was in critical condition. That's the last update from public health officials. The same month in Quebec, the Canadian Food Inspection Agency detected 2 cases of avian influenza in farm animals. Labos adds, people who regularly work with birds can protect themselves by using proper personal protective equipment, gloves, masks, and goggles. But it's not the only disease worrying experts.
There is a very real danger for diseases that had effectively disappeared from Canada coming back, like measles, like polio, like whooping cough. And that is directly tied to the fact that we are seeing flagging vaccination rates.
There have been 170 confirmed cases of measles this year, according to Canada's Chief Public Health Officer, Dr. Theresa Tam. A child under 5 in Ontario died of the disease this year. They're especially vulnerable, says Dr. Jesse Papenburg.
Most children will just develop a fever and a rash and conjunctivitis, cough, runny nose. Up to 1 in 1,000 can develop complications that include an infection of the brain and the complications from that.
He adds Quebec is in the middle of its RSV season and says the virus is the #1 cause of hospitalizations in children. As for COVID-19, it's still circulating. The most recent provincial data for mid-December shows 1,287 cases and 19 new deaths. Both doctors say it's important not to get complacent and to stay updated on your vaccines to protect yourself and loved ones with a long winter ahead. Maria Saru, CTV News.